It is Monday, and if you're not uploading video, honestly, you are wrong. If you have not even tried to make an attempt, you are 100% wrong. Mondays are days that will literally grow on this channel. Anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be explaining and breaking down for you my YouTube success journey and what you can also do for you to be able to achieve more than what I've achieved or more than where I am, because I believe that every single person's grace differs. So you need to stay hooked and watch this video from beginning to the end, and let's dive into it. First, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sonia, but you're watching Vibe with Sonia, where I practically brings all the vibes on your table, help YouTubers to grow, and also give you content strategies where I hold your hands by hand for us to be able to explore and start getting money down to our accounts. So a backstory, I monetized my channel, my first channel, which is this channel that you're watching, 6 months, and I was able to cash out my first $100 in another 6 months. Do you get? And then my second channel, I monetized it in 3 months, and I was able to also get my first $100 within a space of 3 months as well. Then coming to my third channel, I monetized that one practically in less than 2 weeks, and I was able to make my first $100 that same month, which is the live vibe with Sonia. And you guys literally saw everything that went out there. Now, in all of this, I have never had anybody that will hold my hand and show me or shout me out or pull out my content. Now, I'm saying this regarding to content strategies generally, be it you're creating content on YouTube, on Facebook, anywhere you're creating content at all, right? So I have never had anybody to say, oh, I need to shout her out. I need to make sure I put her out there so that people can actually subscribe. No, it was just my consistency that was speaking for me. There were videos I did there that were not getting even 1 views. They were getting 0 views. They were getting 10 views. They were getting 5 views, or practically the views will be coming from when I have to tell my friends, go watch my videos, or I have to tell my family members, go watch my videos, or I have to tell people, okay, you have to watch me, and then I watch you. That was where the views were coming from. But as I am talking to you guys today, the videos are now doing well. The videos are now videos that even if I just sit without doing anything, I still get people watching those videos. I was just scrolling on my video, and I noticed that my first ever video that I uploaded on this channel, Vibe with Sonia channel, got up to 1.3k views. So I remember then when I uploaded it, there was no view. The last view I saw that time was 20 views, and now I am seeing 1.3k view. It didn't just end there. Other videos are picking up. And why am I saying all of this? I'm saying all of this because a lot of you guys are literally discouraged. A lot of you guys are thinking that because your videos are not getting views now, or because they're not getting attention now, you should not be serious with YouTube, or you should not be serious with your content creating journey. In any platform you are creating content, your seriousness is important. Now, these are the strategies I was able to use that literally helped me and is still helping me to date. The number one strategy is I was consistent. You guys will say YouTubers preach about consistency a lot. That's because consistency is very important. Without consistency on this YouTube street, you are just going to be there, not achieving anything. Okay. Now, the second strategies I was able to use is not looking into my views, not looking into if I'm getting 1 views or 2 views or 3 views, if I have to beg people to watch, if I have to beg people to subscribe. I was not looking into all of that. I was just focused in creating my content. There is views, there is no view. One day, something will happen and I'll definitely have my viral video. And to God be the glory, great things he has done. I had my viral video of over 700 and something thousand views and still counting till now. Do you get? Still counting. I have videos of 40,000 views, 50,000 views, 100 and something thousand views, 90,000 views. Name them. If you go to my channel, you are going to be seeing them. Right? That was because I never focused on the views. I was just focused in creating my content and making sure that I don't lag in that place, right? Now, the third thing I did that I feel like really, really helped me was I have to re-strategize. And that re-strategizing, what I did was I have to look out for what can actually add value to people's life. What are people searching for? What do people need? What can I actually put out there? So I remember as at that time, I was literally looking out for videos of how much YouTubers make for 1,000 views on YouTube. And I noticed that there were fewer YouTubers doing it then, because now all the things on the day rampant. Oh. I can tell you, I can hit my chest and tell you that yeah, I was one of the people that motivated how much YouTube pays, especially when it comes to small YouTubers. So I was looking for it on YouTube and I couldn't find a lot. I found few, and most of the ones I was literally seeing was even from US, Canada, Australia, all of these people in these good countries, right? I was not seeing mainly from African countries. And I told myself, okay, what if I start putting out videos of how much YouTube pay me for 1,000 views? Wouldn't that actually make a difference? So I started putting content of, I did my first video of how much YouTube pay me for 1,000 views. And that video went ahead that very first week. I think I got about over 1K or 2K. It paused. Then in the next month, the video just skyrocketed, and which was one of the video that really helped to start building my audience, start bringing people. So because people were looking for it as at that time, not be like now, the thing is already rampant. As at that time, people were looking for it. I was getting a lot of people coming to watch and then subscribe to my channel. Then and I noticed that a lot of people get demonetized and not talk about it. Probably they are ashamed of it or blah, blah, blah. But not like there were not people creating it as well. I saw a few videos as well that did so well. And I remember I was demonetized and I told myself, okay, even if my demonetization phrase has passed, let me literally teach people or show people why I was demonetized and what they should do and they should not do. I did that, and that was actually a mind blowing, which was one of my most viral video before the other video I started doing about how to grow 1,000 subscribers, speak up and got over 700 and something thousand views. And from that moment, I now realize that it is not all about creating content. It is all about being intentional, one. Secondly, look out for what people are looking for, what people want to see. Is it how to make fried rice? Is it how to make jollof rice? Is it how to do this, how to do that? And do not do that mistake of, oh, because people are over creating it, then there is no need for you to create it. People can create it and go viral. You can also create your own and go viral. I remember when I started doing this YouTube tutorial, a lot of people reached out to me and they were like, oh, Sonia, let me be recreating what you're doing. And I said, okay, fine. We have a lot of how to do content creating YouTube in my community. We are still growing. We continue to grow. But in all of that chaos of a lot of people doing that same thing, we have my audience are watching, other people audience are watching. YouTube can recommend my videos to your audience. YouTube can recommend your videos to my audience. It's just like that. So the amount of videos being published on YouTube, or the amount of people you see being going viral on YouTube because of a particular content, does not mean that your own content will not go viral. And that was when I now realized that, okay, if I now re-strategize and start teaching more about content creating, since that is what people are looking for, and I have the idea, I have gone through a lot. Like, there is no phase when it comes to YouTube that I have not. There is nobody I can literally not teach about YouTube. I can be proud to say that because I've been demonetized, my account has been terminated. In fact, my account has been deleted, removed, call any name. I have been monetized. Like, it's just a whole lot. My video has been taken down. I've gotten strike. I've gotten copyright. So there is nothing new under this planet that Vibe with Sonia can literally not show you when it comes to content creating. You understand? And I leverage on that aspect. And if you fall back to my videos and you're watching my channel, you will notice that even when I have not started doing all of this content creating regarding how to make money, how to do YouTube, how to do Facebook, blah, 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 you will notice that I have been doing tutorials of NYSC. The moment I did my NYSC, I had a lot of experience, and most of the things I was looking for online that was lagging, I have to put them. Till today, those videos are still getting views. Till today, those my NYSC videos, people are still looking out for what they can do for camping, and the videos are still getting views. And that is why I can literally just sit down, even if I don't want to film for a whole month, I will still get something out of YouTube. I will still get to put something in my pocket. And that is why I am advising you today as a coach that I've been on YouTube for 4 years and I've been successful. God forbid, it's not was. I have been successful. I'm still successful till date. I'm still coaching people. I've coached over 500 people. One, get a mentor. Two, strategize. Strategize is very important. Three, the videos you're bringing, how are people reacting to it? Are they educational videos? Do they have value? What are you contributing to the society? What are people taking out of your videos? What are they going home with it to do? The videos you're doing, are there videos that in 3, 4, 5, 6 years to come, people are still going to search for it? Do it. It doesn't matter the niche you fall under. Either you are in the lifestyle niche, either you are any categories of niche that you fall into, you can still pull out value. You can see that even from my Facebook page, in case if you're following me under my Faith Onoja Facebook page, Faith Sandava, sorry, where I literally have to upload videos like this because I need to create value. And secondly, I also have to like maybe do things that when people are watching, they're entertained. Do you get? And at the end of the day, I'm seeing results. I'm seeing results, and you too can see results. Just be serious, implement all of these strategies that I've been able to show you in this video. Do not focus on your views. Just keep doing what you need to do. If you have your tiny money, you want to book for coaching sections, do it so that that can enlighten you more, broadens your knowledge more. You understand? But if you don't have, keep pulling out your content. Make sure your contents are bright. Make sure your voice or whatever you're doing, if it's a video that you're talking, make sure people are hearing what you're saying. If you have a little money to invest in your gadget, like just a tripod for those ones that are just starting and a mic that can elevate your voice, why not? If you do not have that money, get something and start. I never started with tripod. I filmed, I know for over 2 years of starting content creating, I was filming with my iPhone 7 Plus. Do you get? So if you have money of getting a camera for yourself, anything you can elevate yourself. That is why every single day I keep telling myself, once I see what will elevate my content, I don't stop there. I will just go ahead and get it. Because why? Now money that they use for show money. Do you get? So you don't need to be stingy to yourself and be like, oh, I'm not making money here, so why am I supposed to be getting all of that? If you're not making money here, but you can afford it just because you want to elevate your content so that when people see your content, is attracting to them, is magneting to them, do it for your good. Because I will tell you the honest truth as a content creator, that there is nothing you invest in content creating that you will not achieve it. I remember I got my camera 1.6 million naira, right? But this camera has literally gotten me what is more than that. Until today, I am still using it. Do you get? I remember we getting this iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 17 Pro Max. My mother told me, make sure that phone, make sure you root that the money back. And I said, don't worry, my darling. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So yes, you can make it here on content creating journey as a sit-at-home mom, as a working class mom, as any category kind of person that you are. I sit in my house and I do my time. At the end of the month, I get what God is blessing me with, right? I just hope I'm able to make sense today. That is Monday. These videos will be going up like this. But anyway, subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And for those ones asking for my coaching section, faithonja3195@gmail.com. You can check it in my description. I always link everything in my description here, okay? Anyways, thank you so much for saying hook with me to the end of this video. And yes, with that being said, with no further ado, I do like always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Mwah.